Good morning, everyone. So this is another lab setup video from HackShooks, and in today's video we are going to look into how we are going to install Windows XP in our VM workstation. So the first thing you need to do is open VM Workstation Pro, and once it opens, I would first cross this. Here what we are going to do is we are going to go to File, New Virtual Machine, and then we have to select an installer disk or an ISO, right? So first thing, you download this Windows XP. The link will be given in the description, and here you would find a XP len, which is a ISO image of XP, and this is the XP serials. Okay, so first I'll go here. I would go to installer disk image. I would browse into Windows XP. I would select this. I would open it, and then I would click on next. Now here it requests a Windows product key, so open this, and here is your product key. So let's type 8689T BF M2F R6 GF 89W PY M P6 378. Okay, so then we set a full name, let's say Shubham. Password. Okay, so this is in caps, right? PASSWRD. Okay, so next, and here we are gonna set into Windows XP, and here store into a single file. Set this to 10 GBs of RAM, 10 GBs of hard disk, and here customize hardware. 512 is good enough, but I would set it to 1 GB. So let's close this and let's finish it. So once this is done, you would see that this particular software is gonna load Windows, and it's gonna install it into the 10 GBs of the hard disk space which I've allotted to it, right? So since I've already done this, I can show you that once this loads, you're gonna have an interface like this, right? So let's power this off. So here, once you have this interface, you can come here and go to network adapters, and here you can set this network adapter to NAT, which would use a network address translated address from your Windows host, or you can go to custom specific network, which I have selected as VMNet8, which is NAT. So you can also use your host only adapter and your bridged adapter, which I have gone through in the previous videos, but this is the most important setting here because this is gonna give you reachability over the network. So once that is done, you can simply load up, and okay, corresponding once this is done, Windows XP Professional is gonna load, and we will be using this particular Windows XP Professional to hack into Windows, to use exploits from Metasploit, and then we would also go and check the security and the SAM of this Windows machine, and hence we should be able to crack their passwords directly. So do not set a password that is really time taking or something which will take more time to crack, but it's pretty much NTLM. It will crack in the end. So okay, so here we have a Windows XP system, but now you would notice one thing, that if I go here and Windows R CMD, if I type ipconfig, I would see the IP address of this Windows host, this XP. So it's 192.168.31.144. Now I would want to tell you something, that once this is done, this is pretty much everything which you would need. But here, if I go here, and from here, from this my host machine, if I try to ping into this particular machine, if I say ping 192.168.31.144, I would see that I am not getting any replies. Now that is because by default this particular computer has its firewall enabled. So the only thing that you need to do in this latch setup environment is come here, go to start, go to control panel, go to security center, and here you would see the firewall status is on. So scroll down, click on Windows Firewall, and here setup off, right? So once you set this firewall status to off, you would be able to see that here I will be able to ping into this particular OS and get responses from it. So that is pretty much what we would need to do to set up a Windows XP system, and after this we would be able to we'll be trying to hack into it in our future videos, and hence get the security and SAM and try password cracking to it. So that's all for the this video. I hope you enjoyed the lab setup, and of course you can also do a lot of ton of other stuff like install Python here and see all the different see and debug how Python works with immunity debugger and a lot of other software. So we'll explore all that in the next few videos. For now, I guess this is all you need to do, and that's all for this video. Thank you.